Welcome to the Modern Technology channel. In today's video we will explore modern and convenient equipment to make your kitchen space richer and more interesting. Turning your kitchen into a place full of creativity and passion. 1. CASO Design Wine Cooler. Wine cooler with CASO Design keeps wine perfectly cold for hours. Wine Case 1 from CASO Design keeps a bottle of wine, sparkling wine or other drinks at drinkable temperature right next to the table. Temperature electronically adjustable from 5 to 18 degrees Celsius. White LED display of temperature touch operation. There are many occasions to enjoy a good bottle of wine. Disenchantment is more absolute when it is perfected. 2. WaffleUp Maker. Belgian waffle maker. More than just a waffle maker, whether light, fluffy, golden brown or crispy. Unlike regular Belgian waffle makers, WaffleUp has a vertical baking system that allows you to bake perfect Belgian waffles. Vertical baking system for perfect Belgian waffles. 18 cm diameter and 2.5 cm thick. Sweet and savory variations of all types and much more. Vertical design in silver poles and stainless steel. Batter can be poured from the top for even distribution and optimal baking results. Mess-free preparation thanks to the excess dough container. Dough doesn't stick device and collected for reuse. 3. Juice Fit Juicer. Fresh juice is easy with the Juice Fit Slow Juicer. Enjoy fresh, nutritious juices every day. This compact juicer is perfect for your kitchen and allows you to easily create delicious juices from fruits, vegetables and herbs. The Juice Fit Slow Juicer uses a slow speed of 40 revolutions per minute to preserve the natural flavors and valuable nutrients and vitamins in your ingredients. This slow juicing technology ensures an especially gentle processing, delivering up to 30% more juice than conventional centrifugal juicers, so you can be sure that every drop of your juice is full of flavor and healthy. 4. AirFry Oil-Free Fryer. AirFry. Discover the versatility of the combo design AirFry block with steam cooking technology. With a large 7-liter basket, the product is perfect for large portions. From a whole roast chicken to 1.3 kilograms of chips. Adjustable timer with end signal delivers precise cooking results. Enjoy healthy and low-fat cooking with steaming crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside function. Intuitive touch control panel and transparent viewing window with optional interior lighting provides maximum control over the cooking process. 5. VRH690 Vacuum Cleaner. The advanced product set VRH690 provides perfect freshness and long-lasting enjoyment. With a vacuum system that keeps food fresh up to 8 times longer, but also has additional functions and a sturdy film to help protect optimal protection for your food. Automatic vacuum and sealing. 3 adjustable sealing times for dry and moist foods. Adjustable vacuum force for hard and soft foods. Manual sealing. Vacuum function and marinate food. Manual adjustment. Steepless vacuum suction power for soft foods. With the CASO Food Manager app, you can always keep track of your supplies to reduce food waste and maintain maximum freshness. 6. IceCreamer Ice Cream Maker. IceCreamer ice cream and yogurt maker melts in your mouth. With the handy 2-in-1 ice cream and yogurt maker, you can make your own ice cream, sorbet, frozen yogurt, natural yogurt, according to your preferences easily and without artificial additives. IceCreamer ice cream maker produces up to 2 quarts of ice cream or yogurt. 4 fully automatic ice cream or yogurt production programs. Fast, delicious and discreet. Creates smooth ice cream in 30 to 60 minutes. Best tasting yogurt in 5 to 8 hours. No pre-cooling required thanks to powerful compressor technology and 180 watts of cooling capacity suitable for cow's milk and plant milk. Whether it's regular ice cream, soft serve ice cream, fruit sorbet, creamy yogurt or refreshing frozen yogurt, everything is possible. Because IceCreamer is truly a versatile product, you can create innovative creations. Create your favorite using cow's milk or plant milk. And if you suddenly have a new idea, you can always add more ingredients via the handy refill cap, just the way you like it. 7. BeerMaster Beer Dispenser. Enjoy fresh beer at home, whether it's a barbecue, an exciting football match, a party or simply a gathering. BeerMaster is the ideal companion. High-quality beer dispensers provide perfectly chilled beer at home. Deliciously carbonated and as fresh as beer from the pub. Perfect pressure to enjoy the best beer. BeerMaster allows you to continuously adjust the pressure to ensure perfect pouring results. BeerMaster fits all standard 5-liter kegs of perfectly chilled beer. 9 temperature levels can be selected from 4 to 12 degrees Celsius so that the barley juice can be individually adjusted for optimal enjoyment according to personal preferences. Thank you for watching the video. Please leave a comment below the video if you have any dissatisfaction or other opinions. Like and subscribe so we can provide you with more videos and products every day.